Hello digital art space family and friend, and welcome back to this new tutorial. In this video we will be introducing about how we can use the blending mode in any software that we are using. For example, we can use in Medibang, you can use it in GIMP, we can use it in Photoshop, and particularly if you're introducing about painting, I think it's better to know. But how do you know which one to pick, which blending mode to pick, and that will work? This is what we'll try to cover. By doing some basic painting, we will just put our base color and add color in another layer, try and changing their blending mode to see how they interact. For you who have been struggling for a while with the blending mode, this tutorial is for you. This is the second part of this video series on how to use the layer mode. So let's jump into it. Okay, now let us attack the moon. After creating a new layer, we will put like a halo orange, and we will change the mode of that layer to lighting only to give it that glow effect and to let only the brighter part appears. So here you have it. Okay, for the flower, we try the blending mode, the pin light, known for keeping the brighter color and also for adding special effect. So this is what we do, and I think it works perfectly for our flowers. Work under a shadow of the body, so we just select a gray part. The reflection of the light from outside is also reflecting on skin, so the part who is behind the light will definitely appear kinda a bit darker. So for this reason, we just put a gray, and you will see by changing the color mode to burn, we just have that nice skin tone that we wanted. The burn just try to increase the exposure, so it give you like that special effect in the skin. So for now, we will try to work on the dress. It's not like a really opaque dress, it's a bit transparent, and to give that light reflection effect on the dress, we will choose, after creating our layer, we will choose like a gray tone and paint one as I am doing so. As I want like a smooth transition of the color, I am also using the eraser tool with a really smooth edges, with a soft brush actually, to smooth the edges of my color. So once I finish with that, I change the layer mode to multiply to get that effect as the light is reflecting on the dress. So here you have it. So now we finish that part. We will try to attack now the glowing part of the girl skin and the dress too. So let's see how we do it. For that, we create a new layer, we decrease our brush size, and we will paint around the edges of the girls just to make the glowing effect of the really bright moon hitting her body. So let's see how we do it. For now, it really look like nothing, but once we change the layer blending mode, we will see what will happen. So once we finish with the painting, we just change the layer mode to soft light, and here it is, a smooth transition of the light and her skin. And do not hesitate to review that video. If you have something that you missed, you can always come back to it. So now, as you can see, we're practically done with our painting. So we are just trying to arrange a little bit the face, putting some brighter part here using the soft glow, or some shadowing there using the burn blending mode. So here we have it. So I really hope you guys could enjoy the video and learn, not only just by knowing what those blending mode can do, but also see them in action, and the way for you guys to be able to use them also for your painting. So if you enjoyed that video, please do not forget to like it and subscribe, and stay tuned for the next one. Thank you very much.